Okay, so she's not fully together, but took the boys to the hockey game this afternoon, and we got back, and then I've put the engine in, exhaust on carb on, connected the electrics, and a little bit more setting up. I've noticed as as I was revving it up there, the swing arm nut is loose, so that's something that needs sorting out. So it needs to be gone through again now, and everything finished off. But at least the engine's rebuilt, running again. I've checked it's going into first and second gear while it's running, and that's all seems to be working fine. So the rest of it's just general bolt check, make sure everything's right, and then it'll be ready for her for next year, for next season. Can't wait. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Phoenix Motos.